Nirav Modi was arrested on Tuesday by the Scotland Yard and produced before a district judge at Westminster Magistrates Court in London to be formally charged. According to officers in the Enforcement Directorate, Modi was picked up from a metro station Holborn, central London, which is probing the case against him. The location of the arrest indicated that Modi, wanted in India in connection with the 13,500 crore Punjab National Bank scam case, was arrested from where he is believed to have been living in a plush apartment in Centre Point in the West End. As the news of his arrest broke out on social media, Twitterati came out with jokes and memes.